Hi everyone, this is Max Explorer. I'll be discussing the distributive property of subtraction using a series of fractions as an example. Consider this a fraction 3 all over 7 multiplied by 14 minus 1 all over 9. So I'll be distributing 3 out of 7 over 14 and 1 over 9 with an operation which is a subtraction. So here I'm repeating 3 all over 7 multiplied by 14 minus 1 all over 9, which is the same thing as here I have 3 all over 7 multiplied by 14, then minus 3 all over 7 multiplied by 1 all over 9. So I will simplify one after the other, and as it is in the parentheses, I'm having a whole number which I'm going to simplify effectively. So here I have 3 all over 7 multiplied by the whole number. Here I'm changing it to a fraction, which means I'm writing the reciprocal, which is 14 all over 1, then minus 1 all over 9 for the parentheses equals, here I'll also write 3 all over 7 multiplied by 3 all over 7 multiplied by 14 all over 1 minus here is 3 all over 7 multiplied by 1 all over 9, closing the parentheses. So from this side I'll have 3 all over 7 here, which is outside of parentheses. Of course I have to deal with whatever is inside the parentheses before I multiply 7 by any or by the numbers there. So here I have the denominator here is just 9, then multiply 9 by 14 is 126 minus 1, that's 1 multiplied by 1, close the parentheses again. So here I'll have this to deal with, which is I'm using 7 to divide 14 here, so it means here I'm left with just 3 times 2, 3 times 2 here, all over 1 times 1, closing the parentheses. Then from this side actually I'll use 3 here to divide 3, so here's just 1 and here's 2, which means from this side I have 1 multiplied by 1 all over 7 multiplied by 3, here's 3, 7 multiplied by 3. Now coming back to this side here, I'll just subtract and then multiply thereafter. So here is 3 all over 7 multiplied by 26 minus 1 is 25, this 125 all over 9, and here is now 3 times 2 is 6 all over 1 minus 1 times 1 is 1, 7 times 3 is 21. So it's actually getting easier to simplify. Here I'll have to divide 3 will divide 9, so I'm left with just 1 multiplied by 125 all over 7 times 3 all over 7 times 3, this equals 6 times 1. Of course 6 times 21 is 126 minus 1 all over 21. So here I have 125. That's 1 times 125 equals 125 all over 21. This equals 126 minus 1 is 125 also all over 21. So if I divide 125 by 21, it's going to be 5020 all over 21. And that from the right hand side also, I'll be having 5020 all over 21. This is to actually tell you that subtraction is actually distributive over the fractions.